Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account details and enabling two-factor authentication for safety. Once done, decide whether you want to archive the current following list for reference, export it if needed, then choose your tool: a browser extension or a small automated script. You should log into Twitter on a desktop browser for full control, make sure no conflicting extensions run, and open the account's following page to begin the unfollow loop immediately. You run the tool while you watch. Start the batch process and allow it to scroll the following list slowly. Because Twitter enforces limits, pace unfollows to roughly 50 to 100 per hour to reduce temporary blocks. Make sure to confirm any prompts the tool cannot auto-handle and pause if you see CAPTCHA or rate limit errors. If the extension stalls, stop it, refresh the page, and resume where it left off. This avoids duplicate requests and keeps the account healthy. You complete the run by manually verifying the following count reached 0, refreshing the page, and checking a few profiles to confirm. If Twitter temporarily blocks actions, stop and wait 24 to 72 hours before trying again. Repeated attempts can lengthen blocks. Make sure to re-enable any disabled security settings and remove the extension if you no longer need it. If some accounts remain because they are protected or the tool skipped them, unfollow those manually to finish the cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.